All right, in this video, I'm just going to give you a general overview of the types of proofs that we'll cover in this class, and what you're going to be expected to do. All right, so I've taught lots of people how to write proofs. I've been teaching proofs for over 10 years. I've written a lot of proofs in my day. The computer science department wants you to learn some things about proofs. So you're going to learn some stuff about them. Okay. Now, there's way too much information that we cover in this class for me to train you solely in how to write proofs. Okay, so I'm not gonna focus on proofs as much as I would in for math majors. I know what you're saying. Phew. And yeah, it's a relief, right? Okay, so there's basically 4 types of proof. There's direct proofs, there's contrapositive, so direct proof by contrapositive, oops, messed up there. Contradiction, and induction. This is chapter 2. This is chapter 8. Okay, one other type that you'll see in chapter 2 is proof by cases. Proof by cases is really just direct proof. So to me, it's direct, contrapositive, contradiction, and induction. Okay, so what you'll see with the proofs 1, proofs 2, proofs 3 worksheets is that I'm actually not going to have you write any of these first 3 types of proof. What I really want you to understand is what we might call the proof logic, the logic of the proofs. And that's what the computer science department has told me to cover. They want me to cover proof logic. Now, proof logic is not a really well-defined term. So I'm taking proof logic to mean that you have to use logic to decide if a proof is correct or not. And you'll see in the exercises and in the you'll see in the worksheets and in the videos that introduce the worksheets. I'll definitely go into that and make sure that that's something that you understand, or at least attempt to make sure that that's something you understand. And if you don't understand it, that's where office hours come in. And remember, if you can't make office hours, then you can send me an email and we can set up a time to meet, or I can talk to you via email. Lots of different options that we have. Okay. All right. So there's nothing really easy about proofs. Proofs are not easy. But you can be rest assured in this class you don't have to write direct, contrapositive, or contradiction proofs. But you do have to read them and understand them. And have an idea of what to do, of how to disprove with the counterexample, things like that. That's all stuff that you'll study, that you've probably read in the reading for tonight's, or for proofs 1. Okay. Anyway, induction is a big one for computer science. This is one that I can't keep you from having to do. Induction, you're going to have to learn how to write induction proofs. Induction you'll use in later classes. I think it's CS 360 computing theory. Really interesting stuff. This is with like Turing machines, Alan Turing, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I got to get you prepared for that class. And so we will do induction, but that's coming in chapter 8. And now to really understand induction, you're going to need to understand at least how to read and what a direct proof is, what contrapositive, what contradiction. The worksheets that I have, I think will do that. All right. That's all for now.